Landscape photography is all about capturing the beauty and grandeur of the natural world. However, bright sunlight can make it challenging to capture these stunning scenes. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to take landscape photos even in the harshest light. First, let's talk about camera settings. When shooting in bright sunlight, you will have to adjust your camera settings to avoid overexposing your image. Start by putting your camera in manual mode and then adjusting your ISO, aperture and shutter speed. A small aperture will reduce the amount of light entering your camera, whilst a low ISO will reduce the camera's sensitivity to light. For shutter speed, use a fast shutter speed to avoid overexposure. Next, consider using a polarizing filter. A polarizing filter can help to reduce glare in reflective items such as water, making a much clearer image. If you want to learn more about this filter, make sure you check out the video I have made on filters. The link is in the description. Another technique you can use to capture landscape photos in bright sunlight is HDR photography. HDR stands for High Dynamic Range, and it involves taking a series of photos at different exposures and then blending them together in post-production. If you want to learn more about this, I have written a step-by-step guide on how to create HDR photography. Again, the link is in the description for that. Finally, you might want to consider shooting in the shade, as it is a great technique for reducing harsh shadows and creating even lighting throughout your photo. When shooting in bright sunlight, the strong light can create deep shadows, which can be distracting and take the viewer's attention away from the beauty of the scene. By moving to a shaded area, you reduce these harsh shadows and create a more balanced exposure throughout your photo. With these tips and techniques, you will be able to take stunning landscape photos even in the harshest of light. Let me know in the comments which one you are going to try out first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.